What's up everybody, it's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video, it's an exciting one. We will be installing the CNT racing front pipe and downpipe on the 10th gen Civic. So let's get right into it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take off this intake. It's right there, unbolt that and put it on the side. And then you have 3 screws there. Right there. Let's go do that. Just got the intake off. Now we gotta get the heat shield off, which is those 3 bolts that I was telling you about. Kind of hard, so I would spray them with some WD-40 before. Alright, so you just gotta take this little panel off, and then this one right here as well. It's my boy Simple 435i. Go follow him on Instagram.
Yeah, we don't work.
So you don't have to remove the whole thing, just enough to squeeze in to get those bolts. Gotta remove this clip and then these bolts right there. There's 4 of them and 2 clips. So once you get this down, you want to take these bolts off. We already got them off. And then we want to get these bolts off, but we're gonna let it cool a little bit more. Just 3 bolts and then 2 on these brackets over here. I want a breaker bar. Hold it over there, go nice and slow, and a few of them you'll hear like a couple of clicks, or what would you describe that? Sort of like a snap almost.
I mean, when it first breaks loose, yeah, you can hear it breaking off. So
Yeah.
but you just don't want it to strip. Just make sure you have the size.
Definitely go slow and make sure it's on there. So with this, we're just gonna put some WD-40 and use a crowbar and try to pry it off. All right, so we took this off. We gotta remove the hanger to the new one. As you can see, the newer one's a bit thicker here. It's all right there. We got the downpipe. These are CNT, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. CNT racing downpipe and front pipe. All right, so we had a little trouble taking off the heat shield. But now we have an extension with a swivel, and you just gotta pull really hard. We had a breaker bar as well, so definitely need a breaker bar for that. All right, so now all the bolts are removed. Just gonna pop it out. Just had to take out one bracket to take out the downpipe, so now it should just come right out.
Let's see if it does.
There we go. And now for the O2 sensor, we're gonna use just a wrench and pop it off since we don't have the actual socket. So just put on the O2 sensor on the new downpipe, and we're gonna use 22 millimeter for that. You don't need a O2 socket. So we're gonna throw on the downpipe or the front pipe now and hang it up, bolt that in, and then we're gonna put the downpipe. So let's go ahead and do that. Right, went ahead and put the hanger back on for the front pipe. And now we're trying to figure out which screws go with which. So we're putting in the front pipe, and this is if you want to use the bolts that came with it.
This is what came in the box. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it goes the nut, the spring, lock, and then the washer, and the head of the bolt. So hopefully that's correct.
And that's gonna go in, the nut is gonna go on that side.
The nut is actually, the nut's actually gonna come in from the back of the front pipe, like this. It's gonna come in the rest of the exhaust like this, and then we're just gonna bolt it in.
Just like that, and then do it for all the sides. Same thing with the front of the front pipe. Went ahead and threw the downpipe up there. We didn't connect anything on the top yet, but we put it back on the bracket. We loosely connected it to the front pipe, just getting everything in the right place. Yeah. All right, so now we're up here. We're up here. We're putting the bolts in and the nuts. All right, on each side. And it was quite difficult to get them in. You really got to tighten it hard. So we got the downpipe tightened up and the intake back on. Now we're just gonna tighten up these screws and tighten up this, and then we're gonna go ahead and start it up. Oh, and don't forget to put the O2 sensor back in and clip these back up. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share and do all that good stuff. And stay tuned for next week's video. Might be something from a cutie. We'll see.